Let's talk about why AI can be used to support therapy, but should not be used in replacement of a certified therapist or therapy in general. As a trained therapist, we are to embody a persona that is non-judgmental and unbiased. Therefore, AI is biased ultimately, because the way that we put things into the computer, kind of is biased in itself, right? So AI is going to answer it in a very tailored, vague way, which leads me to my next point. It misses the context or the nuances of the person sitting in front of this computer, right? So if you're in a therapy session, we get to know your family background, your childhood, and little things leading you to this point, where AI does not have that context. I know what you're thinking. I can give the context to AI. However, you're missing the nonverbals that us as therapists look for. Your posture, your body language, everything tells us more about how you feel comfortable or discomfort in a situation. Along with this, AI kind of feeds this loss of human connection. Since we are speaking to an electronic device, it can feed what is already present. So if someone writes into AI and says, I'm struggling with social anxiety or, social situations in general, AI is obviously answering as a computer and therefore is kind of just feeding your anxiety. A large reason why AI should not be used in replacement of a certified therapist or therapy in general is also risk assessment. AI is not trained as we are to assess for risk of suicide ideation or anything of that nature. And therefore, with us and our confidentiality, or also reasons for breaching confidentiality, which would be harm to the self or harm to others, or a mandated or suspected child abuse. AI does not know of these things, nor does it really assess for them. In short, AI can assist and support therapy by giving journal prompts or, kind of reframing things for you. However, us as therapists, we challenge you, and it's all about the human connection, the attunement, the understanding, and kind of making sure that you stay accountable.